Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert bullet points to a different color in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show convert bullet points to a different color. Now firstly going to the insert menu option. Now for click, then click for a shape option. Now click for oval shape. Now draw a oval shape. Now going to the oval shape is choose color. And click for a shape fill option. Now click for a choose color. Now click for a shape. Now click for a mouse right button option, then click for a copy, and again mouse right button, then click for a paste option, again paste. Now move from side by side the bullet point. Now different color. Now click for a second bullet point. Now going to the format menu option, then click for a shape fill option and choose color. Another shape bullet point and change the same apply. Now bullet points insert. Now going to the text box. Now draw a text box. Now type from a now again click for mouse right button, then click for a copy option. Now again mouse right button click, then click for a paste. Now type it on then issue convert bullet point to a different color in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.